Good morning to everyone. So, we are doing this chapter, and in this chapter, what we are learning breathing in animals. Animals, different types of animals, they breathe with different things. Some use their gills, some use their body surface or moisture skin, some use their here spiracles, and some use their lungs. Okay, so here yesterday I have explained you about the gills animal that lives in water. They use their gills to breathe. Yes. Next one is that body surface or moisture skin. Animal that live amphibian animal like a earthworm and microscopy animal, they use their body surface and moist skin to breathe. Amphibian, that frog lives in land, that time they use their body surface. Today we will know about the spiracles. Spiracles is used by an insect. Insect use spiracle to breathe. What is the spiracle? In their body they have a tiny hole. Insect having a tiny hole in their body, that is called spiracle. And they this spiracle present in their body. This spiracle is present in their body, and with this they used to breathe. Now what happened there? Air entered to the body through spiracles and entered each cell of the body through breathing tube that form a network throughout the body. Understood? So insect use their spiracles for their breath. And hole, what is spiracle? That is a hole they are having in their body through which insect use to breathe, that is known as spiracle. Next one is lungs. All living things that live in land, they use the lungs to breathe. What they use? They use lungs to breathe. We human being, what we use to breathe? We use lungs for breathing. Like this way, all living things, those who live in this land, they use their lungs to breathe. So what are the animals they use? Mammals, reptiles, and amphibian. They use their lungs to breathe. Okay? Who? Mammals, reptile, and amphibian, they use their lungs to breathe. In this, what happened? When you breathe, you are having nose. When you breathe, air enter through the nose. Air enter through the nose, through windpipe, it goes inside to the lungs. Okay? Air enter through nose and through windpipe, it goes to lungs inside your body. Lungs is there. It goes to the lungs via a windpipe. The lungs have a rich supply of blood vessels. These lungs are having rich supply of blood vessels. Okay. Now what happened? What oxygen we have taken inside, it goes inside the lungs and it mixed with the blood and carry to all part of your body. This mixed with blood and carry to the all cell of your body. Understood? What happened when you breathe oxygen here? What you are breathing? Oxygen is going inside through nose. It entered through the windpipe through your body and it goes to the lungs. When it entered to the lungs, it mixed with the blood and after that it goes to your body cell. It supply, then that supply oxygen mixed with the blood and it goes to your body cell. Inside supply to whole body cells, then it goes to the body cell. After that, what happened there? All the cell and the oxygen used for breakdown of the food and cell. After entering there, oxygen used to break down of the food and cell. What does oxygen do? It enter, it mixed with your blood and it goes to your body cell. and it mixed there and it entered to whole part of your body cell. After that, it used to break down of the oxygen, used to break down of the food in the cell. It break down the food in the cell, and after the process of produce carbon dioxide, what happened? The carbon dioxide they are produced and released in the blood. Carbon dioxide produced and released in the blood, and after that, that carbon dioxide comes out through your nose. That carbon dioxide, what happened? Produced to release in the blood to the lungs, and it comes out through the nose. Clear to you all what happened? In lungs, you are seeing here, whenever you breathe here, air is entering through your nose and it goes through the windpipe to your body and it enters to your lungs. After entering through the lungs, what happened? This oxygen, it mixed with the blood. Oxygen mixed with the blood. After mixing it blood, oxygen, that blood supply to blood all cell of your body. Okay? And this oxygen, what does oxygen do? It used to break down of food in your blood cell. Understood? It used to break down of the food that you have taken in your blood cell and it is used in your body, and after that it gives out carbon dioxide, and it comes out through our nose. Clear to you all? So lungs is used by whom? Lungs is used by all living things. What are the things? Mammals, reptile, amphibian, all these, they use their lungs to breathe. Clear? So what you have learned here, that different types of animal, they use different things for breathing. Animal that lives in water, they use their what? Gills to breathe. Yes, clear? Animal like amphibian or some animal like earthworm, they use their body parts or moisture skin to breathe. Insect, what does insect use? Insect use spiracles for breathing. What is the spiracle? It is a hole in their body. Insect having hole in their body, through that they use their breathing. Next one you have learned about lungs. Who is having lungs? All living things. All living things, they have lungs. Okay? All living things, what they have? They have lungs. Now what happened here? Mammals, you can see, what are the living things? Mammals, reptiles and amphibian, all these, they use their lungs for breathing. What they use? They use their lungs for breathing. Now what happened here? Oxygen which we are taking inside, how it entered to your body? Oxygen through your nose, through windpipe, it entered to your body and it goes to the lungs. After entering to the lungs, it mixed with blood. And after that, that blood is supplied to whole part of your body cell. Okay? It is supplied to whole part of body cell. Now this oxygen used to break down of the food in your cell, and after that it gives out what? Carbon dioxide. What happened? The carbon dioxide produced there, and this carbon dioxide comes out from our body through lungs, through our nose, it comes out from our body. Understood? Like this way, all living things, they use their lungs for breathing. Now it is clear. So diagram is also given there, human breathing system, that also you will draw in your copy. And whatever diagram it is given, students, daily you will open and you will draw it. White page is there you will draw all the diagram. And whatever you watching the video, you take your notebook, write there some points and make notes there. Okay, only simply watching will be not there. You write some points and use your own word. Whenever you will write answer, you use your own word and write the answer. No need to see whatever you listening, use that your own word and you write. Okay student, till here you have learned today about the breathing of animal, and it is clear to you all today. Till here, next day again I will continue this chapter. Okay, thank you student.